Alright, so I've been having some issue with my car idling, and pretty much it seems to idle real low. Right now it's probably at about 650. So I've got everything electrical off other than the sound system, but it's just the head unit. The lights are on outside of the car, so if I'll aim it at this. So I'm going to turn this to max, turn on this, I'll do this so this way it actually will circulate the air, turn on the defrosters, and then if I shut it all off real quick, it actually almost stalls out the car. So let me do that real quick. You can hear it's on full blast. Turn on both of those, let it run for a second. It's still not at a great RPM, but it's not about to stall. And then if I shut it all off real quick, of course it didn't do it this time. Last time I was switching this from head and feet to just the windshield, so we'll try that. So I'll let it run for a second, switch it, shut everything off, and it's almost stalling out. I'll zoom in and do it one more time. Let it run for a second. Of course, now it's not doing it. I have an OBD2 Bluetooth reader, and I could feel the car almost stalling out, so we'll try it one more time. There we go. So it keeps almost stalling out. Sometimes it's got a high idle, sometimes it's got a low idle. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this car. I think it might be the throttle body, but if anybody has any clue, help. If I'm assuming that I'm posting this on Reddit, if I don't have it in the title, it is a 2003 Mitsubishi Galant automatic 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. It's got quite a bit of miles, but it's a good car otherwise, so trying to make sure that I can keep it for as long as I can. So I appreciate the help.